Hello there, my dear Persian friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your reading for the week commencing 18th of November. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Pisces, okay? So just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave that don't resonate. So if you will like my reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Let's start. Love and light. Namaste. Alright, thank you. My spirit guides, what are your messages to our dear Piscean friends for the week commencing 18th of November? My spirit guides, what are your messages to our dear Piscean friends for the week commencing 18th of November? Okay, let's see. Right, okay, the bottom of the deck. Wow, achievements, achievements. Wow, congratulations for that beautiful card. Meaning you will be achieving something that you really desire. Okay, there will be a new era in your life. It's just only a new era that is going to begin. It's a manifestation period for you now, my dear Pisceans. Okay, I can feel it in here that there are also good offers that is presented to you, and I can see it in here that it will make you very happy, and you will be willing to accept that good offers. A lot of new, huge, huge blessings is coming on your way. For some of you, there is a sudden windfall that is going to land in your lap, and a wealthy marriage, a wealthy marriage. Yes. So wow, there is a secret admirer in here as well, and the card is saying, "Do not be stubborn." You have here. Okay, okay. So um, I can this card. You Jack of Heart. Look at, for you, this card is indicating that you are feeling better now, because I can see it in here that you dealt with hardships before. Okay, so you are now feeling better. Okay, you have here a good friend of you that is really supporting you, that is really loyal to you. Okay, let's see. Wow, 10 of Gloves. This is a business success. Good luck with money. Okay, you will be receiving unexpected huge amount of money. Okay, you are going to travel, and for those who are single, you will meet your soulmate. For those who are happy, uh, happily committed, you will meet a temptation in here. Please don't let this temptation tempted you. Okay, step back, think, think, think. Because, my dear Parsian, after those, if you want only to have fun, my God, I'm telling you, there's a bad impact on you. Okay? It will block your good luck that is coming to your life. Okay? Because I can feel it in here that, in every person that is receiving a good luck, blessings from the universe, you will be tested. You will be put into test. Yes, it's up to you if you will take that. That you will know that that is not really good. Okay, for those who just had a relationship breakup, love is showing up again for you. So don't worry about it. Okay. Um, there is an unfinished business is here that you need your attention. Okay. Let's see. See this third party relationship that is going to break your happy relationship with your loved one. So, as I've said, if you will listen to me, those who are about to deal this, no. It's a no, no, don't do that. Okay? Because it's a bad luck. See, it's still coming because it's three of clubs and still reverse the two clubs. Okay? Nine of diamonds is a new business deal. As I've said, there is a trouble in the card. Surprise of money is coming into you. A change of residence. And for some of you, you just bought a house, and it's a good time to um, transfer into the new house. It says in here that you are restless in your current job, and I think you will be you for some of you are planning to apply for a new job. Go ahead, because I've said there is a good offers on the horizon, and you will successfully get it. Okay, it's just the beginning of your success in life. Okay, so please do not let yourself be tempted with this temptation, because there is a misfortune that is going to happen into you. Yes, yeah. So please listen to this. Okay. See, bad news. Bad news, and this because the truth will be revealed even if you travel far away from your family, and you will do these flirting things. It will still be revealed. Yeah, to your loved one, to your behalf. So there will be a bad news in here that you are going to worry about, but please do not let this thing happen to you. Okay, there is a water sign motherly figure in here, Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancerian. Who is going to give you an advice, who is giving you a good luck, a full support in you, who is very concerned, and she will give you a fair, helpful advice. So listen to that. Okay, there is a jack of diamonds in here, a pleasant trouble who will bring you a news, but that is only a minor, just only to give you a worry, right? So do not ignore that one. Okay, three of clubs. This is a love and happiness card, a successful marriage on the horizon. Those who will meet someone, and then I can see it in here that there will be a successful marriage. It is a favorable long-term proposition that is going to happen in your life. For those who failed their first marriage, there is a second marriage that is on the horizon, and this is really destined for you. This card as well saying that for some of you will receive a big amount of money from your husband, partner, or boyfriend. They just want to share their blessings. Yeah. Let's see to the tarot cards. What are the messages that has in store for you, my dear Parisian friends, for the week commencing 18th of November? I can feel it in here that for some of you will suffer from a foot sprain, and for some of you is experiencing passing of bodily fluid that is with foul smell, or the color is really like like something that is um like greenish or reddish. So please seek a medical advice for that, okay? And for those who are going to find in their body a lump or a cyst, especially in your breast area, then observe, monitor, okay? Yes, the bottom of the card is Ten of Pentacles. Wow, this is a beautiful card. It's a culmination. It's a yes card associated with Virgo energy and aligned to planet Mercury, which is communication and mentality, and aligned to root chakra. The unexpected financial windfall. Wow. As I've told you, lump sum of money is going to come in your way. There is a last will in here for those who are expecting a, well, maybe your parents will do a last will and you will receive it, an inheritance. Okay. So for some of you will be receiving a huge amount of money from trust. It's a trust funds. Yes, deeds, um, or an old money that you are going to receive. Let's see, the main card is Eight of Cups. You are moving on now. As it's a no card associated with, oh, that is your card, my Pisces. Pisces energy associated with a Saturn, planet Saturn, which is responsibility and discipline, and also aligned to solar plexus chakra. So whatever you want in life or you desire in life, you will have it. In here it says, oh, for those who are abandoning plans, walking away or letting go of, um, then it says in here, maybe those who refuse an offer, maybe that is not really for you. So traveling is in the card, and for those who are looking for the truth, as I've said, justice will prevail. It will be revealed to you very soon. Okay, let's see what will be the angel message for you, my dear Parisian. Okay, for the week commencing 18th of November. Let's see. Bottom of the card is 18, the moon. That's you. The moon. This is a Piscean energy. Archangel Haniel, important psychic insight. Follow your intuition. Follow your instinct and trust your intuition. Events. Sorry, that's my alarm clock to prepare to work tonight. Events behind the scene. Release fears that hold you back. Okay. Follow your gut feelings. 17, the star. The beautiful card, Archangel Jophiel. Happy times. Make positive, optimistic, long-term plans. You are on the right path, my dear Piscean friends. Okay? Just don't deal with temptation. It is not really, you are prone to deal with that issues. Okay? Let's see what is the animal spirit message for you, my dear Piscean, for the week commencing um 18th of November. Let's see. The bottom of the deck is Ace of Spring or White Tiger. A wonderful new opportunity presents itself. It may have come as a surprise, but you will still want to leap into action and passionately pursue every possibility. Seven of Autumn. It's a cow. Beautiful cow. Looking at me. The planning, resources, and efforts you have invested in your dream will reap great rewards. Wow. In the meantime, have patience and meditate on your next steps. And also, my dear Pisceans, please watch your mouth. And for those who are, I can see it in here, stay humble and do not be cheeky. Yeah, yes, my spirit guide is saying in here, do not be cheeky, don't deal with negative situations, and try to be grateful for those who have helped you. Yes, um be grateful and do not be arrogant, conceited. Okay, what blessings you've got now, be grateful and stay humble. Okay, and do not just to stay humble, please. So for those who are seeking an advice, messages from the spirit guides regarding their career, job and business, let's see what does the career cards has store for you. The bottom of the deck is direction. Your purpose is unfolding slowly, step by step as you go along. There's no need to hurry or worry. You are being divinely guided. That is beautiful. Signs. Look for signs. You are putting together pieces of the puzzle from signs you are getting. Pay attention to the coincidence you are experiencing. Okay, for those who have one question in their mind and seeking for a yes or no answer, let's see and think about it now. Okay. Okay, for those who like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Let's see. It's a no card. It says spotted reputation, going bad, rotten idea. Oh, so let's see what is the main. Oh, it's no. It's a strong no. It's a double no. So says blows up in your face, explosive combo broken. So meaning if it's you're planning to do something, maybe it's not yet the right time for you to do that. Just leave it at the moment. Okay. So or if you are waiting for something, a result or like, be patient. Be patient. It's not yet the right time. Yeah, do not insist. Do not insist. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Um, good luck on your journey. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste.